are you? This is Inspire Health. Have you heard of Okroshka before? If you're curious about what it is and would like to learn how to prepare it, stay tuned. What is Okroshka? It's a Russian traditional cold soup prepared with a mix of vegetables, herbs, cold meats and eggs, served with kvass, a fermented rye beverage, kefir, mineral water, or even beer. This cold soup appears in Russian literature in the 18th century, but its predecessor cold soup, named Botvinia, was mentioned as early as the 16th century. Why should you try making Okroshka? First, it's easy to prepare and you can do it in advance. Second, you can create a perfect balance of nutrients customized to your needs. Third, it's usually light, crunchy and refreshing. You can truly appreciate it during hot days. And a bonus benefit, fermented beverages like kvass and kefir are fantastic for your digestion and health in general. Every Russian family has their own variation of an Okroshka recipe. Today we'll be using these ingredients. Let's get started. Boil an egg for 10 minutes. Cool down and peel it. Cook the potato until soft. Cool down and remove the skin. Peel the cucumber. And now it's time to chop the following ingredients into small pieces: hard-boiled egg, potato, cucumber, bologna, radishes, parsley, dill, and green onion. Combine all of the ingredients in a large bowl. Add salt to taste and mix well. It's time to plate. Place about a cup and a half of the mix first. Combine kefir and water. Mix well and pour it into a plate. It's time to enjoy your Russian Okroshka with a perfect combination of great taste and amazing health benefits. Feel free to use your own cold vegetables and meat to create your own version of this soup. Eat well and stay inspired! Hello my friend, it's Elena. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Do me two favors. Number one, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you get updates every time I release new training for you. And number two, if you want to slim down regardless of your busy schedule, I'd like to give you my 10-step blueprint. Click the link in the description box or simply subscribe right on my website and you will receive my training videos and a PDF guide for free. Thanks for watching and stay inspired!